let's go through the techniques of thumb. There is AP, there is lateral, and there is oblique. In all of these techniques, like the other techniques for 2nd through 5th digits, our KVP 63 and our equivalent motor is settled so that our radiation is 22.5 centimeters or 1 inches upward from all the parts. In AP imaging of thumb, our patient's hand position is an extreme internal rotation. They would need to internally rotate their hand so their thumb is facing up. It's called the true AP position, and they would need to extend the other 4 digits as much as possible to eliminate any superimposing in our image. Our central array is perpendicular and entering through MCP joint. In lateral imaging of the thumb, our hand position is like so that we would need to tilt up 2nd through 5th digits until our thumb is in true lateral position. It would be optimal to use an object or a sponge to support 2nd through 5th digits, but not necessary. Our central array in this technique, like any other thumb technique, is perpendicular and entering through the MCP joint. Our cool motor is settled so that our radiation is 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters outwards from all sides of our desired digit, and our KVP is also 63. In oblique imaging of the thumb, due to the thumb's natural anatomy, there will be no need for any special positioning. The patient would just need to rest their polymer surface on the table and their thumb would be in a natural oblique position. Our central array in this technique is also perpendicular and entering through the MCP joint of our first digit. Our KVP is 63 and our cool motor is settled so that our radiation hits 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters from all sides of our desired digit.